Oh no!
Hello ka-explorer! Kumusta? Kumusta ang araw ninyo? So, medyo natagalan tayong nag-product review. Yes, pasensya na po kayo. But anyway, kahit hindi man ako nakapag-product review, may inad kasi ako dito sa channel natin. Sa Explore Sweet Escape, meron na po tayong live streaming. Yes, meron na tayong live streaming. Meron na rin po tayong primitive. Yes, primitive yun yung sa mga probinsya dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga usual na ginagawa nila. Primitive style ba? Yes. But anyway, product review natin ngayon ay isang tent. Oo. Ang pangalan ng tent ay PhoenixHub Outdoor-Indoor Portable Kids Playhouse. Prince and Princesses Castle Tent. Ang haba. Oo, basta castle tent. So, ito ay nauuso sa mga bata. Yes. So, bago natin bilhin, ito para sa mga kids natin, tignan muna natin tong mga pag-set up nila, everything. Oo. Meron silang ano dito. Meron silang parang yung sa may advertisement nila. Yes. Anong parang? Sa advertisement talaga. Oo. So, sabi, it can be set up in few minutes. No tools required for assembly. That is one. Number two, facilitate parents to observe babies' activity anytime, anywhere. That is two. Number three, lightweight and portable with a zipper carrying bag. All right. And we also have the fourth one, large space tent. Cultivate social communication ability, sports ability, space-conscious ability. Okay. So, titignan natin. So, magkano ko ba siya binili? Alright? So, pag-usapan muna natin kung magkano. So, binili ko siya ng 299 pesos. Yes, 299 pesos. At ang sabi, alright, ayon kay Lazada, ang kanyang regular price ay 878 pesos. Pesos. Yeah, pesos. Ayun. Pero yun nga. Meron siyang 50 pesos na charge sa delivery. Hindi ko alam kung dito lang sa Baguio. Pag sa Manila, hindi ko lang alam kung magkano rin. Sa Mindanao, hindi ko rin din po alam. Sa US, hindi ko rin. Yun na nga. Alright, so panoodin natin kung talaga nga naman madaling i-set up tong tent na to, kung anong feedback ko. So 1 week na po namin to ginamit. Okay, 1 week. Maliban sa dalawang bata na meron ako, age 7 and 3, nag-invite pa po ako ng 4 na bata na mga pamangkin ko. Alright, tapos sabihin ko sa inyo mamaya kung anong feedback ko. Panoorin muna natin tong unbox na to. Let's watch this.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousand, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong. When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands.
Right, guys. So, yan nga. Yan na nga yung unboxing natin. Oo. So, balikan natin yung mga advertisement nila dito, na mga tags nila na it can be set up in few minutes, no tools required for assembly. Check. All right. Facilitate parents to observe baby's activity anytime, anywhere. Check. Oo. Kasi may window siyang dalawa. So, nasisilip mo talaga sila. Number 3, lightweight and portable with zipper carry bag. Meron siya. Yes, that is a check. And large space tent cultivates social communication ability, sports ability, space conscious ability, which is a check as well. All right, considering kids tent nga, di ba? Hindi naman sinabing adult tent. Oo. Yun. Pero, yun nga. Okay siya. Pero may isa lang akong naging problem. Yung curtain niya dun sa may entrance niya, hindi siya well sewed. So ang daling natastas. Yes, ang daling natastas. Yun. Pero overall, I could still say it's not one of the best, but it's still good with the price of na sinabi ko na 299 pesos. Okay na rin siya para sa mga bata. Yep. Pero parang, okay na rin. Yep. So, yan. Alright, so, again, guys, please don't forget to hit our subscribe button there and our bell button para ma-notify kayo kung ano yung mga next na na-upload ko. Yes po. And of course, if you have comment, alam na yan. Sa baba lang yan. Alright? So, once again, guys, I would like to say thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!